Yeah, I am. Good. So, is it 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Guys, I'm in abuse time, and yeah, I did play the early bird. So yeah, we won. Is that dark? Oh yeah, purple revenge. Giorgerini, basically. Ooh, an admin lucky block. Giorgerini, block admin. Yes. Wait, what? Oh, those aliens, Why is this door? No, the trading table. Wait, let me stop. Yo, the trading table is here. The trading table is here.
Good admin reviews. They even added mini games, but it's closed off.
You know what? It says an X on the mini games.
Yeah, that means you can't play the mini games, sadly.
Yeah, I know. Oh, kind of went in editor mode.
Yo, Galaxy just started.
Yeah.
Yo, let's trade something. I'm gonna trade Fart Boxer. No way! I got something better than Fart Boxer in my base right here. Look at this.
Bro, that trash. I got Giorgerini. He's like
bad. Let's trade.
No, it's a bad trade.
Yo, let's trade.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, I got Farter Boxer.
Also, by the way, just saying, that was not the Giorgerini Basicladini.
The Giorgerini, this Laterrini is, it's not an admin, so still fangs. Yo! You wanna trade for this?
Yeah.
You gotta trade something good, though.
Giorgerini beat the Terina. What the hell?
Let me see how much money it makes for a second. Here, let me see. Alright, that's a good trade.
Yeah.
Here.
Yo, I can't pick it up. You skim. Oh, no, I can pick it up. Yes.
Let me put that in my base.
Same. Yes. I've now put it in my base. Oh, what the?
Yo!
Yeah, I got the lost down and
abuse is happening.
Wait, what?
Big admin abuse is happening.
Oh,